Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY skin brightening treatment using just a few simple ingredients. So if you guys are interested, be sure to keep on watching. So getting started, I'm going to take my tomato and cut it into small pieces, and then I'm going to add the tomato and the carrots to the blender. This ended up making a large batch, but you really only need about 1/4 of a tomato and 2 to 3 carrots. So the reason why we're using tomato is because it has a lot of great vitamins. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, it has lycopene, and all of these vitamins will help to nourish the skin. Vitamin C will help to brighten the skin. Lycopene is a natural protectant against sun damage, so that's really awesome to use on the skin. It also will help to exfoliate the dead skin cells, make it easier to remove blackheads, and just make your skin look very bright and youthful. Carrots have very similar properties, so together with the tomato, they're just going to help fight acne, help to brighten the skin, and also help to get rid of acne scars. So this is a great mask all around. Now to get started applying it to my skin. So as you can see, I'm just putting on a very thin layer. I'm just dipping my fingers in, getting a bit of a liquid and rubbing it into my skin. If you want, you can definitely put on a thicker layer, but this is the second time I was using it for the week, so I didn't want to go too overboard. But as you can see, I do have a few acne scars left over because I had an allergic reaction and it was terrible. And so this is just helping me to get rid of those scars faster. So I'm going to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse it off. Once you rinse it off, you want to make sure to follow up with your moisturizer. I'm using my Calendula cream moisturizer and just covering my skin. I will leave the information for all these products down below. This is also my eye and throat bioformula to moisturize my under eyes and also the neck area. And while I'm doing this, I'll go over the storage and the use of the mask. So for the mask, you want to use it within 3 to 4 days. Store it in the fridge, preferably in a covered container. And you want to use it a maximum of 2 times a week. I wouldn't necessarily use it every week. I would kind of switch off maybe every other week using it, but it really does work and it made a big difference in restoring my skin fast. Within a month, pretty much all of those scars were gone, which was awesome. You also want to follow up with a good sunscreen because whenever you do a chemical exfoliant, it's always important to protect your skin from the sun, just because if you are trying to get rid of dark spots, after you use any type of chemical exfoliant, if you go into the sun without sunscreen, it can actually make those dark spots even darker. So this is a key step after using this mask. So that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the recipe. So that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do decide to try this recipe, let me know down below what you think. Check out my other videos for more natural recipes, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!